How to fix Twitter cannot send a text message to this phone number problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Twitter and then click on it. Click on the data usage and now scroll and disable this option of the roaming data like this. After you disable it, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and then click delete. And now last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iOS, search for Twitter and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.